parents per se are healthy, though they don't have any chronic diseases, although my father has CKD for other reasons. And one of my grandfathers, I think both my grandfathers had diabetes, but a lot of my cousins have diabetes. And when some of them live in the US, and they saw me, I would go to the US and I would tell them that here is my diet, this is all I will eat, this is what I will not eat, I'm not going to eat any of the normal stuff. And then initially they were all quite amused because they thought this is another fad diet. They all believed that nobody can really reverse diabetes, and they all humored me. They gave me what I asked for, but they just didn't expect that either that I could sustain it or that it would have an impact. And then a few months later, I think they started hearing about it, and the fact that I've not only sustained it. So I have a cousin who actually messaged me in the US saying, when are you coming back? I want to sit and understand your learnings. How did you do it? There's another cousin who, again, lives in the US, and I told him some of what I do, but he's on insulin. He actually started adopting some of what I do, and he wrote to me a few weeks later to say, I followed some of what you're doing, and my insulin intake has gone down by half in just 2 weeks. And I think later on he completely got off insulin by trying to replicate some of the principles. And he's in India now, and he wants to take the food delivery to the house. So I managed to take a set of people in my house who are diabetics, who didn't believe it could work or I could sustain it, to saying, hey, if he has done it, I should also do it. So Live Alter Life is getting pretty famous in the US.